Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the two SIM sources, the physical Nano SIM and an eSIM profile. Make sure your iPhone XS runs the latest iOS so the dual SIM features are available. Carriers often require that. Once you have the physical SIM tray open, place the Nano SIM precisely in the tray, then reinsert it. Meanwhile, keep your carrier's eSIM QR code or activation details at hand, so you can add the eSIM immediately when prompted during the next step. Now add the eSIM, open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code or manually enter the carrier info. This installs the eSIM profile. After activation, label each plan so you can tell them apart. Use primary and secondary or descriptive names like work and personal. Once labeled, choose which line handles cellular data and which handles voice or SMS. Make sure to allow cellular data switching if you want iPhone to use either plan for calls and data when necessary. Finish by using and managing the two lines. When calling or messaging, pick the line from the contact card or phone app so calls show the correct number. Once done, verify iMessage and FaceTime use the desired line in Settings Cellular. Also confirm which line is default for cellular data. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone first, then try removing and reinstalling the eSIM profile. And finally, contact your carrier to confirm the eSIM is provisioned. This resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.